Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome. And now, let's get started. First, you will need to open Google Chrome. You can do this by searching for Chrome in your Windows search bar and selecting it from the results. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the address bar and type the following: Chrome://flags. Press Enter to go to the Chrome Flags page. On this page, you will find a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type "parallel downloading." You should see an option related to parallel downloading appear. Change the setting for this option from its current state, which is likely default, to enabled. After making this change, you will see a relaunch button appear at the bottom of the screen. Click this button to restart Chrome. Once Chrome relaunches, parallel downloading will be active, which can significantly speed up your download times. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.